no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be trying to get out of a slump. I'm just gonna take you guys along and hopefully, you know, we can just do this together and get out of this slump or rut together. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm going to do to help get myself back to a good place. Basically, if you're wondering like, oh, what's wrong? Nothing in particular is wrong. And at face value, you would be like, oh, she has it all, like everything's going well. And that's the thing, like social media is a highlight reel. And I think that lately I've been really comparing myself to a lot of other creators. And I'm just like, I don't post consistently enough on YouTube. I don't film sit down videos. I barely even film vlogs. I don't post every day on TikTok like you're supposed to. I don't have a clean room, and I know that like it is a highlight reel, but it's getting to the point where I feel like all these people have their shit together so much, and maybe they don't, but it really seems like they do. I watch some people's vlogs that I'm just like, how is your house that clean? Like, how are you able to get up every day and go to yoga? Like, I can't even work out, you know what I mean? Like, I can't find the time in the day. And I know it takes discipline and stuff, but it's like, I feel like I can't even do that. And like, that's what's like really getting to me, is like, I just feel like I can't. And I'm kind of just like being hard on myself because I'm like, Audrey, you're not doing it. Like, just be more disciplined. Do it. Do it! And it's like, I can't. I'm just having a really hard time. And I feel like I'm disappointing my followers by not posting as much and not, you know, taking as many outfit pictures and, I don't know, making as many funny videos. And like, it's just like, I just feel sad. I just feel sad. And I feel like I need to get myself back to like square one and like, just like, start fresh. So the way that I like to do that is clean my room, because I've said this in many videos before. I feel like when your surrounding is hectic, your mind is hectic. And I would say that's kind of going on right now. And I feel like I'm on the verge of crying like 24/7. And it's literally a Saturday. It's a Saturday right now at like noon. And I'm supposed to go like day drink at 3. And it's just like, I'm gonna cry. Like, I don't feel like it because I'm like, I feel like I have so many things to do. And I guess it's also hard because I like just signed with an agent, so then that's a whole new thing on my plate of like actually submitting things for like literally feature films, TV shows that are gonna be on like Netflix, Paramount Plus, Hulu, HBO, and that's really daunting. And I think that is a lot of pressure on my shoulders. I mean, at this point, I'm submitting at least 3 self-tapes a week, and I know that I am so new to having an agent and being actually in the industry, but it's just, you know, it's hard because I'm in the industry while still being in school, and I think that that's taking a little bit of a toll on me. But oh my god, I'm so grateful to like have my agent and have my like team behind me. Is like I'm gonna cry about it. Like, I literally could not ask for anything better. I don't know how I got so lucky, but I think that I'm just like overwhelmed right now, if that makes sense. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are feeling the same about whatever's going on in your life, but I hope that we can get out of this rut together. So let's get started. I'm going to start by cleaning my desk. So let's clean this. Wash my micellar water pads. These are actually so good. I will link them down below. I'm obsessed, like literally in love with them. If you use makeup wipes, literally do not go get yourself the Garnier micellar water or any micellar water that you prefer, but get the Garnier pads, the reusable pads. They are so soft and so gentle on your skin. Like, I think that it really, really like had an impact on my skin as a whole. But yeah, I love those. I need the water to warm up. I just clean these with soap and water. Sometimes I'll clean them with this CVS Gentle Skin Cleanser that's like similar to the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, but sometimes I'll clean them with this, which I think is a little bit better than hand soap. This one is dirty. Ring light. How fun. Okay, the beauty desk is clean. Now let's get on to the work desk. Okay, work desk is clean. Now let's make my bed. Having a bed against the wall is the bane of my existence. I'm gonna use my wrinkle eraser on my comforter. Yeah, it didn't work, but I tried. Okay, so now we are going to tackle, I would say, the scarier section, which is this pile of stuff. It's basically like there's tote bags of stuff from casting director series, from class, clothes from Princess Polly that I filmed a brand deal, and boxes and Revolve stuff. So that's what we are going to tackle next. I'm so hot. I need to put something else on. I decided to put on my new lounge set from Princess Polly. Use my code. I'll link it in the description box. It's so cute. I literally have it in 3 colors. Tell they're extremely dirty because I wore them to a frat. Oops. Now I'm gonna play music. No, I'm not listening on Echo Dot. Why is this playing? Let's unbox my Revolve order. So first we have this. I'll link all of these down below as well as my Revolve favorites because I have a lot of them and I add to them all the time because I love just scrolling through Revolve. So yeah, if you're ever, you know, looking for some new clothes, check out my favorites because I add stuff to it literally maybe every other day. So first we have this top from Lovers and Friends, and so it's like this. So there's like booby things, and then this like goes over your shoulder, and then it cinches on the side so you can make it like small crop top. I'll insert a picture of it. It's super cute. I'm really excited to try it on. I just don't feel like it right now because we're resetting, okay? We're getting out of a rut. We are self-care, and I don't feel like doing it, so I'm not going to. Well, anyway, so that's the first thing. It feels so nice. The next thing I'm really excited about, it looked stunning online and looks stunning now. So this is from L'Académie. I think that's how you would say it, L'Académie. Yeah, I was a French girl in high school and college. I took French, but it's just this button up, this oversized button up. Can you even like see this? I feel like it's so washed out. Yeah, so it's this oversized button up. It is like blue and white striped. So it looks like that. And it is just fabulous. I love how like structured the collar is actually. This I might throw on. I don't really feel like it, to be honest with you. Sorry guys. Maybe I'll do a try on haul of this stuff if you guys would want that. But I think this is super cute, like as even like a beach cover up or just like to throw on over like even like athleisure. I think is super cute, so love that. Then I got these jeans from Lovers and Friends, and they are like a flare jean. They're like super high-waisted flare. So let's see what they look like. So they look like that. Oh, they look cute. I got these in a size 26 because I was like, I don't know what size I am. Usually I'm a 25 in jeans, but I was like, if they have stretch, then I'll be a 25. If they don't have stretch, then I'll be a 26. So we will see. They really look super cute. Like, I just love like the color, and they're just so simple. And it looks like they really cinch in at the waist, so I like that. And yeah, so that I got those. And then this one, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Like, if you get anything that I showed you, you need to get this. It is this bodysuit from Hours. So I actually have a bodysuit from them. I think they make like some of the best bodysuits. They're absolutely stunning, just like such good quality and fit so well and like support you. So it is this bodysuit in this yellow. You guys, you can't see how beautiful it is. The camera is not showing the color of this, but it's like, I'll also insert a picture of this, but it's like you wear it here and then across, if you can tell. So can you see that? I don't know, but super cute. But I will link all of those down below, as well as my favorites, so check those out. They're also always on my Instagram story, so yeah. So if you don't follow me there, you should. I would love that. Love to have ya. So now I'm going to put this stuff away. Are you on Spotify? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. I have to clean my humidifier. It's like gross. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use my little mini vacuum and vacuum all the stuff that is all around. Okay, so I finished my room. It's looking much better, but I definitely didn't get everything done that I wanted to, but it is definitely looking better, cleaner, more put together, no more things over there. But yeah, I did my little reset to kind of get myself feeling a little better, and I definitely do feel better. I'm gonna do my makeup and hair and put on a cute outfit, go day drink, and have some fun. And yeah, I hope this gave you some motivation to clean, or just made you feel a little better about not having your shit together like I don't. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.